Hi girls and guys, Boris Gelfand. Today guys again from Hollywood. Guys, today I would like to show you a unit which is real good deal, I think my opinion, and you're gonna tell me if I'm right. This is unit condo hotel in building Hyde Beach, which is across of the beach. It's not first line, it's its second line, and it belongs to the building to community of Hyde. This is Hyde Ocean, this is Hyde Beach, so this is second line. Today I would like to show you a unit which is 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1,050 square feet, which is offered for sale and asking price $790. Why I'm trying to show the unit? Because my opinion is good deal for investor or user which is wanna make vacation for themselves and to rent it out. So basically in this building price is always $760, $780, $850. For this is the right price. So you know a lot of sellers in the dreams still. So I'm trying to find you deals which is make sense to purchase. So this is exactly the case when sellers want to sell, and I told them, guys, this is a number which is you have to ask. So we have some small part of negotiation. So asking price today is $719. Expenses for this unit $1,750 per month. This is HOA, which is included almost everything. I mean, internet, cable, electric, everything included, and property taxes is around $9,300. So how much it can bring this unit annually? Guys, send me text, I will reply to you, I will send you a statement, and we can work together, and I will disclose all information based on your request. And again, this is 2-bedroom, full kitchen. It's full kitchen. It's made as apartment, but again, by zoning, it's commercial zoning, it's condo hotel. So you can rent daily, monthly, weekly, and stay of your guest or of yourself need to be up to 6 months. This is what rules and regulation says on this unit. And guys, important, it's 2-bedroom, 2 bathroom plus washer dryer inside of the unit, which is you coming with a big family, you want to have washer dryer inside. So this is the case. And again, it has a lot of space. I mean, compared to unit, you know, which is you can rent studio for $300-400, you don't have anything. So this is gonna be full size apartment. Again, it has a lot of closets. It's under right now, it's under hotel program. You can take it, you cannot take it. It's your choice. You can manage yourself, you can hire somebody on third party, or you can stay with the hotel. Again, you pay 20% from gross. This is a myth. So you see everything staged, 100% clean. So, and regarding income, guys, I'm sure you're gonna make the same approximately income, 4-5% net income if you're not involved. If you're going to be involved, I think you're going to get between 7 up to 10%. So this is a small bedroom which has 2 beds, and this unit can fit easy, I think 6 people. So two, and the master bedroom can fit another 2 people. You have closet, you can add more shelves if you want, but you know, people coming for vacation, they don't have a lot of stuff. This is second bathroom, which is really good size. Again, apartment very spacey, and most important, guys, clean. It's almost new. It's not hard used, and it doesn't have any, you know, signs of the use, and it's kept in the best possible shape. And again, amenities of this building very nice. It has 2 pools. You have a lot of play for kids, and it has tennis courts. And like I said, I'm considering this apartment as good investment if you want to use yourself instead to pay in the winter $10,000-12,000 per month. So you can use yourself, you can make a return on your money by saving on yourself. Plus, when you're gonna rent this unit, you can get this money and to cover all your annual expenses. But guys, you need to pay cash. I mean cash, because if you're gonna take mortgages today, it's a little bit more expensive than it's supposed to be, but we cannot change it. So you have full-size bath, stand-up shower. So apartment really spacey. And like I said before, this is 5-star level. Again, it's not St. Regis, it's not Aqualina, but you know, Aqualina you're gonna start from 2.5, or St. Regis you're gonna be $5-6 million. So guys, this is best options on the market compared to last sales and compared to other properties which is people want to sell. Like I said before, asking price $719. other units in the same building. If you're gonna go link below my video, you have link to the building. You can see active, you can see sold, you can see rent and rented. So you can make a map without asking me, and you see that it is a real good number and good price to buy. So guys, feel free to ask me, call me, and I'm always open to talk to you. Boris Gelfand, South Florida.